Hello guys, how are you? This is Cyber with Khalifa for a new video, and this time is about Azure, and it's the continuity of the previous episode of incident response. I told you that we're gonna try to finish this lab and response to question and try to investigate and do the work of incident responder. So today we're gonna continue with our series. Last time we stopped here. We stopped here, and what you're gonna do? He say here using the service account credential discovered in the victim OneDrive script. The attacker attempt to enumerate resource group, how many unique resource group were successfully read, and how many unique resource group were broken due to access restriction. So what you're gonna do? To a response to this, first of all, we're gonna search for uh, ABAC restriction. So the ABAC restriction is Azure attribute-based access control. Attribute-based access control is an authorization system that defines access based on attribute associated with security principal, resources, and the environment of an access request. So here we define the access by the attribute, like I have access in this resource group. I have access in this environment, etc., etc. It's not like role-based admin, etc. Okay, so you're gonna start simply and search for for ABAC. I'm gonna know if we can find something. So yeah, here we have ABAC blocked. Okay, we have this resource group that is blocked. Okay, I'm just verifying my my notes. Okay, so what we have two forbidden, because here in the question he said, just to verify, he said here, 1 second, he said how many unique resource group were successfully read and how many resource group were blocked. Okay, for blocking we have two. Okay, we have RG Finance Core and 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 TV Finance Core resource here. Okay, we're gonna say here, we're gonna see here, yeah, KV Finance. We're gonna see our application. Okay, so here we have two, and how many how many unique resource group were successfully read. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna search for resource group here. I think I have to delete this. Okay, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna try to find this. Let's try with this IP, looking for this malicious thing with IP. And here, yes, here we have, I think you see here, guys, here we have ABC blocked and ABC blocked, and here we have two success. So what's the success said here? 1 second. The authorization information, authorization, yeah, scope, subscription, RG web services. He read the service here, the resource group here. And I see here if you have another resource group that he can read. 1 second. Job output, not this one. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. Authorization. Yeah, he can read this group. Like I said, Azure Web Services. I'm gonna try to see here because we authorization, and here read at automate OPS. So we have um, two resource groups, that's RG Finance and KV Finance, and for two resources that read it, web services, services, and also automate OPS. Okay, so the next question, what we see here, so with which resources were blocked by ABAC restriction, as we see there, those two. Okay, so for this we have the answer. The attacker explored the automation account to find credential that to find credential what's the name of automation account that was accessed. And also for this we have automation OPS, because this is the resource that he accessed, and this is with the same account. Okay, so I'm gonna show you this. Okay, so he accessed this rule, this automation account. Okay, administration, we're gonna see success in this resource group. So the resource group is error shared OPS. I think I made a mistake here, and the account of automation is automate OPS. This is the normal. Okay, I think we are good here. I'm gonna go to the next level, authorization. He can read, and the scope is the automation account and the RG shared OPS. The RG is the resource group, Microsoft automation account, automation OPS. Okay, so the next question here, which resources were blocked by EBS? I think I did. Which attacker contribution name? Sorry, I didn't. What's the? Thank you. We get this. What is the name of the second service account that the attacker compromised using the credential discovered in the runbook? Okay, so here we're gonna search. We're gonna use this KQL. I'm gonna explain you why. We're gonna look for automation, in resource type automation, and client address. Yeah, I have just two. Client AP address. client AP address contain, and we're gonna run this. Okay, we have a problem. What we're gonna do here? We're gonna try to delete this and looking for automation. But like I said, we can literally we find the IP. It's literally here. Color IP address. We're gonna look for the account, the name of the second service account. The second service account here, the first one, I think. We're gonna try to find it. Yeah, this is the first one that we find it already. So you're gonna go for the other events. Okay, yes, provision, automation. Gonna look for the other accounts that he used to access it here. We're gonna try to go and try to use our IUCs here. We have RG shared ops and try to see what's belong to RG. Gonna search for RG shared ops. I don't want this. I'm gonna search here what we have, because we think we can find accounts. We can look for accounts here, event, okay, authorization, success. Again, we have another user 52nd, 57, failed. Okay, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna try to see all, and at 1 second, I'm gonna see the IP address. Just to filter with this filter, but we're gonna delete this, put our malicious IP. 1 second, guys. Look if you can find anything. Okay, we're gonna let's see if we have something. I'll try to contain this. Okay. Yeah, okay, we have 3. Yeah. We have face IP address. I'm gonna filter for automation. I'm gonna sort like this. Okay. We have a problem here using the wrong book. Automate ops. Work client IP. Okay, I have a problem here. Okay, we don't have anything. We're gonna try to resource. Contain automate OPS. I'm gonna try to find this. It's like this, guys. When you do incident response, it's always like this. You have to search, you have to try to find things. So here we're looking for accounts, SV automation, but because the account is SVC automation. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna try to see the HTTP request. Then try to SVC automation. I think. Yeah, okay. We have some things here. SV automation. Okay, what's the name of the second service? That's discovery. Okay, automation. What's this? Okay, so application management, S3 automation, target resource, old value, new value. Here he's trying to give some permission, sign in logs. we see that the attacker sign in here from using password. So I think, yeah, here, like I said, it's the SVC automation, the service automation account. So I'm gonna try to find this. Yeah, this one, copy value and put it here in our. Okay, so after bypassing ABAC restriction, the attacker accessed the key vault and retrieved the secret. What's the name of the secret was retrieved? So here we're gonna try to find. 1 second. I'm gonna try to find this, and I look for resource. Okay, and you see here we have a key vault action read. So we have 3, I think. Name of the secret. Okay. To see the name of the secret, I can just do this one. 1 second. I'm gonna tell you how we do this. Okay, 1 second. Okay, we're gonna search alphabet here because here is success, and here we have our, yes, Jessica Turner and Cred. This is the success one. What we gonna do? Yeah, we can do like this. I'm gonna start with activity filter for success. So here we're gonna look for success one. We have one in finance score and the other in shared ops finance score. Yeah, secret name is this one. Okay, the attacker used the credential from the key vault to authenticate as a Hyper-V account, which is the user principal name of this account. Okay, so as you know, here we have Jessica Trainer. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try to search for Jessica Trainer, and you see if we have this account. We don't have. We're gonna try to search for just Jessica. Okay, we have created a sign-in log, single authentication from Beijing. Yes, this is the account. Okay, perfect. So here we have this account. We are already in 20 minutes, guys. So thank you for watching. As you see, doing incident response, it's sometimes it's a little bit boring, but I want to show you how you try to find and to investigate and do those things, because it's important to have those skills, do KQL, try to find in Microsoft Sentinel. So thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.